Developments taking place right now in the Congress. Particularly, first, let's talk about Maharashtra, where the Maharashtra unit of the Congress has expelled party leader Sanjay Nirupam, someone who'd come to be known for fiery remarks of his. This comes after recent remarks the leader made against the INDIA ally Shiv Sena UBT over seat sharing for the Lok Sabha elections. Now, Nirupam held a press briefing today. He called the Congress party directionless. This is also after Boxer Vijendra Singh joined the BJP yesterday. His switch to the BJP is expected to help the party consolidate votes from the Jat community. We're just going to bring you an interview with Nirupam. My colleague Vinay Deshpande took this. Take a look.
After he has made an announcement of quitting Congress party, he has said that he will take some time to decide his next course of action. I have with me the man of the moment, Sanjay Nirupam. आपने कहा you are leaving Congress, you put out a resignation letter as well. Why is it that you have been so upset with the party? You've been
We're just going to have to bring you more context on these developments. But the Congress expelling Sanjay Nirupam. Sanjay Nirupam is a former Mumbai unit chief. And he was expelled right now for 6 years. And this comes a day after he was given a one-week ultimatum over this seat. He had given a one-week ultimatum over the Mumbai Northwest seat in particular. Now, there are reports that he may join the Shiv Sena faction that is led by the Chief Minister, Eknath Shinde. But those are unconfirmed reports. Just take a look at this interview by my colleague, Vinay Deshpande.
After he has made an announcement of quitting Congress party, he has said that he will take some time to decide his next course of action. I have with me the man of the moment, Sanjay Nirupam. आपने कहा you are leaving Congress, you put out a resignation letter as well. Why is it that you have been so upset with the party? You've been continuously raising how Mumbai seat sharing had gone wrong, how the party shouldn't have given 5 of the 6 seats. What all are the grouses because of which you have taken this step?
See, basically the way Congress party is working in Delhi and from Delhi to Mumbai, it is not working out very well actually. The way seat sharing took place, the way our leaders went there in the seat sharing meeting, and the way they have surrendered everything before Shiv Sena, and they have come under the pressure of Shiv Sena. I was not very happy with the way it was handled, and that is why I asked that you cannot give 5 out of 6 seats to Shiv Sena. We all 5 MPs were once upon a time from Mumbai. So it is basically the beginning of the end of Shiv Sena, and for this thing, the leadership is responsible, particularly the state leadership, who were assigned by the top leadership to negotiate with Shiv Sena and other parties. So that is why on my particular this seat, I have been working in this seat for the last 5 years after losing that election in 2019. After losing that election, I am working very hard, and I was told by my party leadership that you have to contest Lok Sabha, just get ready, and suddenly you are giving up my seat. So I have a right to oppose, I have a right to protest, and whatever I was opposing or protesting, that was in the interest of Congress party. And speaking truth, in the interest of Congress party is wrong, then yes, I have done wrong. You have whatever decision you have taken, whatever action you have taken against me, I will commit.
This isn't the only objection you have taken. You have said that the Congress is in a state of disarray, organizationally as well as ideologically. You came in, entered and said, Jai Shri Ram. How is the mood of the nation, and how do you think the Congress party is?
Mood of the nation is very much in the favor of Mr. Modi. Prime Minister Modi is one of the most popular leader at this point of time in India, and no leadership in the whole political spectrum matches his popularity. That's a fact. Congress party is not at all able to dent in the popularity of Mr. Modi. Thirdly, Congress party is, you have rightly said, it is in disarray. It is completely a decimated party. Congress party is in the crisis of organizational structure. Congress party is going through an ideological crisis. Congress party is not able to understand what is happening on the ground. Because the leadership who are running the party, they are completely disconnected with the ground reality.
Who are the leaders responsible?
All. I said, man, there are 5 power centers. All the power centers are basically baseless. They don't have any connect with the people. And that is why they are not able to understand our resentment. I am not the only person. There are lakhs and lakhs of workers and leaders in Congress party who are not at all happy with the functioning of Congress party at this point in time.
Nirupam, one last question, and that is, you said that you will fight from Mumbai Northwest, but you have not yet given out your further course of action as to which party you're going to join. Are you firm on Mumbai Northwest only? What if any other seat is offered to you? Are you open to fighting that?
I don't think any other seat is going to be offered to me, and I would love to contest from Northwest, and I'm sticking to that point. And from which party and how, I think that will be decided in the next course of action.
Have you met the Chief Minister or Devendra Fadnavis?
I'm in touch with a lot of people, and nothing wrong in it.
But Northwest it is going to be. It is going to be Northwest only, no other.
Okay, let's go over to our colleague, our Mumbai Bureau Chief Vinaya Deshpande, who just brought us that interview. Vinaya, multiple reports right now suggesting that Nirupam is set to join the Eknath Shinde-led Shiv Sena, a homecoming of sorts, since he is someone who's always considered Bal Thackeray his hero in the beginning at least. Vinaya, can you just tell our audiences, there's obviously something the leader has said, but behind the scenes, how should we understand this? Should we understand this as disgruntlement with the Congress, or is it him forward planning? How would you see this?
Well, Toya, clearly he is trying to make sure that the Lok Sabha seat that was denied to him within the MVA fold is something that should come his way. But let me tell you that it's not going to be easy either way, because we have seen that as soon as action against Sanjay Nirupam has been taken, and even after he has put down his resignation letter, we are seeing that there are voices from within the BJP itself which have come out in opposition of Sanjay Nirupam. In fact, we are seeing somebody close to Devendra Fadnavis put out tweets after tweets, putting out sentiments from within the constituency, saying that the people here do not want Sanjay Nirupam, saying that he is the kachra of the Congress, which the Congress has finally thrown out, and that is why we should not be taking him. So while on one hand he is hopeful, and there are speculations, right, that he will probably enter the Eknath Shinde group of the Shiv Sena, from where he will likely be offered a seat. But remember, there is no clarity as yet, because he hasn't yet been given a commitment about Mumbai Northwest, the seat that he is extremely keen on. So while there are speculations that he will enter the Shinde group, in what capacity, whether he will be given the seat that he wants for, but he seems to be quite strong. He says, I will not let those who want to write my political obituary win as yet. I will contest from this seat alone, and I will win. So on one hand, we are seeing that he is quite confident that he will fight from here, that he will not fight as an independent, and that he is in touch with several leaders. All I can say is that right now it isn't really a fair-weathered journey for Sanjay Nirupam, whose exit from the Congress has been on a very acerbic note, and whose entry into Mahayuti also doesn't look to be extremely smooth. He says that he will take a decision once Navratri begins, by after 9th of April, but we expect that some decision from within the Eknath Shinde group should come before that. But whether it will be that Mumbai Northwest will be given to him or not, negotiations, my sources tell me, are still on, and there is no finality to that as yet, even though Sanjay Nirupam continues to go ahead with the talks with several leaders. Back to you.
Vinaya, let's double click on that. Just tell our audiences, the Northwest seat that you're talking about, it's right now held by the Sena, but there were reports earlier in the week itself that the BJP was trying for that same set of seats. Can you just tell our audiences, is that the complicating factor, that the BJP is not likely to let that get out of their teeth?
No, Toya, that isn't really, because remember, this seat is currently with the Shinde Sena. It is with Gajanan Kirtikar, who is the MP of the Shinde Sena. Remember, Amol Kirtikar, who is Gajanan Kirtikar's son,